How to make iCloud account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application and then tap on the sign in option there if you have not signed in to your iCloud account. Or you can also open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for iCloud.com. Now, in the interface that you would be led to, go ahead and tap on the sign in option you see there, and further go ahead and tap on the use a different Apple account option if you want to create an account from scratch. Further tap on the create Apple account option you see there, and you will now be required to enter your information. So go ahead and enter all the required information such as your first name, your last name, your country or region, your birthday, your email address, and the password to confirm it. Make sure that the email and the password should meet the requirements of Apple in order for you to be able to use that particular email and the password. Further, go ahead and enter your mobile number and then tap on the verify option you see there. You will then be required to choose if you want the verification code through a phone call or text message. So enter your preferred option and then go ahead and enter the CAPTCHA shown on the screen. Finally, tap on the continue button, and now if you meet all the requirements, then you will be signed in to iCloud. So this is how you can make iCloud account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.